Oh, yes. Play some Italian teachers and horror.
Well, hope Martin's good.
Oh, do they not? Oh my games. Yes. Oh my games.
I like bananas.
Banana. 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 Oh, look, the science labs.
It's an interesting fact to know, you know.
Bananas are good.
Shall we go, you know, the classroom?
According to the NZ survey, they are quite alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Come on, let's go. The classroom made them!
Whoa! Look how big these beasts are! And look at all the free chewing gum they serve! What colour is fruit?
I like the bananas.
Well, that was reassuring. But I can't wait for algebra. I'm moving past linear equations.
The bananas in the classroom taste nice.
You know where I could find some teachers? I have no idea, eh?
Is it toilet?
Oh, look. Teachers only. Oh, I bet there's teachers in there. Most likely. Where are all the teachers? Who would know? Who's that? I'm scared.
Dumb! So stupid. What's the matter?
Don't worry, we'll just have a look at this. Well, no tests today.
I know. Let's have a look.
The serum is developed quite appropriately. You'll be able to analyze it within a few seconds. Okay. Serum date 34. 34.
Oh, yes, yes. Yes.
Take a few seconds for the enzymes to react.
Sorry. Let's just go watch some TV.
Okay, scan it down. The infrared will be able to bounce back and we'll have a good analysis. It's loading. Okay. Loading.
So,
Depends
how
what
are we
the stats
doing?
are like.
What stats?
It's worked. It has. It had. All the... It should decrease within 5 days.
No.
No, everything's working.
It is?
This will be brilliant. We did it. Yeah.
Right.
Staff meetings?
Yes.
Do I have to go?
I'm in the
Staff meeting day 12.
Oh, that was a weird thing to say. I mean, come on, they just injected an apple. They were probably trying to make it healthier.
Yeah, how is that one?
What are they trying to do? Am I missing something?
It's complicated.
Oh, is it a toy?
Yeah.
It looks like a toy.
Toy over there. Ooh, what's this?
It's security activated.
Apples? I know we got supplied with apples. Wait,
This toy sucks.
wasn't it an apple?
I don't like
I'm sure
that
it was an apple. Hey, that was an apple. That was an apple.
No,
No, it's banana. It's an apple.
No.
We saw an apple change into a banana.
Well, that was extremely boring. Why do we have to have stupid board meetings? Board meetings.
Hey guys, come down, look at this.
My teacher career. Destroy the children. Destroy.
Come and have a look at this.
Some of the formula must have spilled off onto it. It's ruined it.
We didn't leave it like this, did we?
It's eaten away at its caress. It's all we ever dreamed of. Yeah, seriously. Seriously, beans. Have some fruit.
Thank you, kind sir.
The evil formula.
The evil formula. What is this indespicable act? It's like they're not working. What could have gone wrong? We injected all of them. All. Every single one.
This is the end of it all.